to yet another section with me. I go by the name Sec Fortress, and today we're going to be talking about the malicious file upload. And if you were in my last lesson, we talked about malicious file inclusion, where web applications that are vulnerable to malicious file inclusion could literally allow attackers to be able to include files that are not listed by database. Today we'll be talking about malicious file upload, where we can be able to upload files that the database literally doesn't even want. So let's get started. So I'm just going to load up my 192.168 using my login, and once I have loaded up my Dvwa app, I could navigate to file upload, and I can see that the security level is actually set to low. I'm just going to make this bigger for us to see. So the malicious file upload now. In the low level, we are asked to choose a file, and I can choose any file I literally want to upload, and we can see that was successfully uploaded. .enc extension and hash.py. Let's see, that was uploaded. That should be uploaded too, and we can see hash.py was uploaded too. I have audio reload.deb. I don't think that's gonna be uploaded, but let's see that. Okay, maybe that file is just too large. Okay, I have anime.jpg now, and I can upload this, and we can see that was also uploaded. Now I want to inject a malicious script on this server. I want to be able to do malicious thing on this server, which I know that this video is made for educational purposes only. And also make sure to like, click the bell icon, and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to share this video. So let's get started. Now I'm just gonna load up my terminal, my root terminal. I'm just gonna be using root terminal for the purpose of this video. So after loading up my root terminal, I'm just gonna look for Kali Linux has default payloads that PHP payloads that we can actually use. So I'm just gonna locate web shells. Locate web shells, and once that is done, I could actually find any web shell I feel. And you can see PHP backdoor, PHP reverse, simple backdoor.php. We can see PHP files here, and then okay, so I'm just gonna be using the simple backdoor.php for the purpose of this video. So literally, let's copy that, or let's copy that to my home/chef desktop, and once that is copied, I could actually open my terminal here, and then I should be seeing that in my desktop. I can see simple backdoor.php. So I'm just gonna rename this to arc.php, and once that is done, I could actually go to my okay. So I would actually come here, choose file, go to desktop, and navigate to arc.php. Now I'm just gonna open this, and after opening this and I click upload, I get successfully uploaded. Now let me just show us the content of that malicious arc.php file. So literally let me just do cut, then simple backdoor. I'm just gonna copy this and paste this, and then we can see the content of this. We can see that it is literally a malicious file, whereas we can be able to include or inject command into this web application. So what I'm literally going to do there is to just go to this directory, and click that and paste this in. And once I paste this in and I click enter, you can see the usage here, and we can see http://target.com simple background.php, and then so literally arc.php is what we are actually renamed the file. So we can just put a question mark sign, and then cmd equals to ls-le, and then we can see files. We could see the different files on the server. We could see all the file which we actually injected: hash.py, level 4 flag.txt, bandit, and then a certificate file which is bobsuit certificate file. And then we could actually see the users, the owners of this of this file. We could see the permissions of the group, the user, and the of the root user. And then so I'm just gonna have to go back and we are done for that, since we know we could actually inject any kind of files we like in the low level security. So let's increase it to medium, which I'm literally going to do. And once that is increased to medium, I can submit that and go back to file uploaded, just to confirm that this is medium. Okay, choose file, and let's try to upload a picture, which I mean, I have a lot of pictures here. Okay, so let me try opening this and see if that's good. Your image was not uploaded. We can only accept JPEG or PNG image. Wow. And that was an image. I guess it was actually an image. Well, let's try loading another one, and then I go to downloads. I think let's try this one. Upload, and this was uploaded. I guess something happened right there. So I tried going to my pictures. I mean, this was my Kali Linux screenshot, and I tried uploading it, and it literally didn't upload. Well, when I tried uploading this downloads, when I tried uploading this, it actually got uploaded. So let's go check out why. I'm just gonna view source, and after viewing source, I could actually navigate to let's check what is happening there. I'm just gonna have to compare all levels, and then we're gonna make this big. And in the low level, you could see here that the TMP name and I mean the name of the file, everything got uploaded. I mean, nothing, no sanitization. And here we could actually see that their implementation here, the name of the file, wow, the type of the file, and then the size of the file. We could see that there was an implementation there, and here we can see that only the name of the file was the implementation there. So any file with a name got uploaded, but here we have to be sure that the name is correct, the type is correct, and the size is correct. So I guess literally why that didn't upload, but because of the size. So let's try going back, and then what you can see that when this file was 477 kilobytes, and I guess anything below 100 kilobytes has to be ignored by the web application. And we can see here in downloads that this picture is 38 kilobytes, which actually got uploaded. So I'm just going to cancel this and then try to upload our PHP script, and let's see if something is gonna happen. So I have app.php here. I'm just gonna open that down and then try uploading that. Your image was not uploaded. We can only accept JPEG or PNG image. Now let's make sure that is certified. App.php, that's 328 bytes. Wow, I mean that is more than 100 bytes. So first of all, the size is incorrect. So first of all, let's try running Bob Stack, seeing what is gonna happen. So I'm just gonna have to open Bob Suti over here, and let me just run that. Okay, I guess. Okay, you're gonna come here, terminal editor, go to my Bob Suit, cd document Bob Suit, and then Java JR. Then once that's done, I guess, so that should be done in it. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this and click run, cancel this, and go on to my, just cancel this, and let's see what actually happened in the background. So let's wait for Bob Suit to actually load. Okay. I should have loaded this up before. So keep on going. So I'm actually just going to fast forward the video, and So literally Bob suit has loaded, and then I could actually go to the prosy, turn on intercept, and then come over here, use Bob prosy default, choose file for arg.php, and then try opening this. Now when I try to upload, I guess even if we could actually resize that file, we can see over here that is 100,000 bits, which is equals to 100 bytes. So literally, let's try first of all changing this content type to application, which is known as a PXP file. So let's change it to image/jpeg first and see whether that gets uploaded. If that doesn't get uploaded, then we could actually manipulate the file size also. So I'm just going to forward this, and let's see, and we can see /upload/arg.php successfully got uploaded. And once I try running that script, I guess it works. So once I try uploading this, okay, so I'm just gonna paste that, and then okay, I would have loved to turn this off since a while ago, and we can see that actually got uploaded, and we can actually run commands with the way we actually did it before. Now we should move on to the high level. Now going to the high level, I could actually go to Dvwa security, hi, submit. Now I'm going to go on to my malicious file upload, and once that is done, I could actually choose file, and then let's try including app.php and try manipulating that same, and try doing what we did for medium intercept, and then upload that, and then turn this to image/jpeg, and then forward this, and let's see if that got forwarded. Okay, your image was not uploaded. We can only accept JPEG or PNG images. Now the security just got advanced. So literally I'm going to be showing you another technique which you can use. So the first technique is to actually change this file. Since we let's view source. Oh gosh. Okay, so vulnerability, I'm just going to turn this off, and then let's view source. Then we could see here, if we compare the high level, we could see that in the high level uploaded name, and the name, and then the substring, and then the uploaded extension, the extension matters. Now the extension literally matters, which is uploaded name, uploaded size, and then the uploaded TMP name. That is a kind of signatures that images actually uses. So let's try to forge this. So literally I don't think we actually need Bob suit for this, but so I'm just gonna cancel this. I don't need actually Bob suit for this. So first of all, we are going to literally turn our image, which is our arg.php file, to an image file. So literally I'm going to come to arg.php and then rename this to arg.jpg. and okay, no, I guess the first step was to actually, let me rename that back. I guess the first step was to actually include a signature in this arg.php file. So I'll come over here and then click enter, and then I'm just going to include a letter like GIF98. I'm just going to save that as Ctrl S. Okay, I'm just going to save that as arg.php, and once okay, I'm just going to rename that to lar.php, and once that is renamed, for the purpose, I'm just going to delete this, rename this now. So I'm just going to rename this to arg.jpg. So once that is renamed, we have already settled two requirements, which is the view source. we have settled two requirements, which is the uploaded name, sorry, rather three requirements: the uploaded name, the uploaded extension, the uploaded tmp name. But since we know that this web app literally don't validate size of the app, if we change the size, I mean if we change the extension, which is to from which is from .php to .img or .jpeg or jpg. So literally, which we have done that already. So now let's try uploading that file again. App.jpg and open, and then upload. Now we can see that this file successfully got uploaded. Now let's try opening this image and see what is there. So I'm going to paste that in. Now we can see that there is no data in this image, and then we just got a little box here. So literally what we have to do here is in order to get our file executed, we have to bring in another vulnerability, which is either command injection or file inclusion. But for the purpose of the video, I'll be using command injection. Now I'm just going to include 127.0.0.ls, and then I could actually do mv in order to change the file extension. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to go to file upload. Oh, I was meant to copy the name of that guy first. So I think I have his name already. Yeah, I literally have his name already. So my bad. So 127.0, I'm just gonna click mv, and then I'm gonna paste that in, and once that is in, I'm gonna click a space again, paste it in once. Let's do Ctrl V once more, and then now we are literally changing the name, so which is the php, and then once we click submit, that should get executed, and I guess that was executed. So now even if we go back to malicious file uploaded, I don't think this is gonna be uploaded, but I pray it. Now we can see that .jpg file wasn't found because we have literally changed the file name. So if I go back and try to do that again, this time we're going to paste that and then try to change it to php, and then click enter, we can see that literally got uploaded, and we can see gif 98 here in order to know our file. And we can see that literally got uploaded. So if you know you don't have this implementation on your website based on the OWASP top 10 vulnerability, I advise you to go and implement it now. Like, this vulnerability is a killer vulnerability that will actually make both the front end and the back end of your web application useless. So I advise you to actually go now and implement this security in your website. Thank you for watching once more. I go by the name Sec Fortress, and I hope you like this video. Share and subscribe, and make sure to watch out for my next video, which is insecure capture. See you next time in this video. Thank you.